Thank you for your donation.
You are very
That was a
welcome.
nice flight jacket. Where'd you get that? It's like a real flight jacket.
It is actually military issue.
All right, and then the leather vest, it looked like a motorcycle.
Yes,
Group
if you look
kind of
carefully,
thing.
there were patches that had been removed.
Yeah,
Yeah, you don't want to know.
okay. All right, well, cool. For sale at the Green Room. Thanks, Mark.
You got it.
You must be pulling on my chain. $40, the smallest sack I've ever seen. $40, I just can't understand. For $40 a man, it's got to be insane. $40, $40, $40. Well, I quickly lowered my standards.